For a couple of upcoming projects, USCP sent out some accessories to be used. This is one of them, so let's jump into the box and into a bit more detail. In addition to the interior detail, I also got a full engine. This will be used on the road car to make that a fully detailed kit with a nice interior and of course a nice engine as well. So the instructions, you can go to this site using a QR scanner on your phone and it just takes you straight to the instructions itself. So there are multiple bags with a lot of components for all of the engine parts and pieces in here. It also has a full engine bay that is nicely detailed as well, and of course another hood added to it. To start off with the engine bay, it has some nice new strut towers in it with a lot of additional detail that the kit itself doesn't have. It has a nice shape to it, and with all the parts and pieces they added into the kit, it should work out really nicely and add a lot of detail. The main engine itself and the transmission is made out of multiple pieces. One big block of resin is for the main engine piece itself. It has nice details captured into it, along with all the other parts, of course. The transmission is also looking very good and sharp. It is a two-piece, so you just need to glue it together. And of course the engine cover and oil pan also look extremely nice and have captured a lot more than the kit parts itself have. Along with the main pieces for the engine, they of course added all the additional parts as well. They are extremely nicely detailed, just as all the other parts and pieces, so I'm probably going to stop telling you that they are detailed, as they all pretty much are. I'm just going to show you around a couple of these pieces. They are detailed. Damn, did it again. They are nice all around, and they didn't skip on anything as far as I can see. Now, alongside that main engine bay, there are of course a lot of additional details to be added to the engine bay apart from the engine itself. So they added some brake boosters, some reservoirs, a couple more reservoirs, some hoses and some wires, and even some panels for the wipers and on the front as well, and even some of the cooling parts as well.